Hello and welcome to WK Crypto. Today we're going to talk about Metamask. I will cover things such as how to make an account, public and private keys, how to add different networks onto Metamask, how to send, receive and swap coins on different networks. As always, I have to give you a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research and don't invest something that you can't afford to lose. With that being said, let's dive in. Metamask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. They have over 21 million users worldwide. I personally use Metamask mainly for crypto staking. I will try to cover things in a bit more detail to help new people in crypto. So you have to go on metamask.io. You can download an extension based on your web browser. Metamask supports different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. For this video I'm using Firefox. So let's press Firefox and install Metamask. On this page you have to add to Firefox. Once the extension added onto your browser, you should be able to see a Metamask logo on top right hand corner of your web browser. As you can see, the extension has been added. So let's get started. There are two options. You can import your existing wallet using a secret recovery phrase, or you can create a new wallet. So let's create a new wallet. There's information. If you agree, press next. On this page, you have to key in your password. So for this video, let's just use a default password and take this option and create. So there's more information available how to secure your wallet. I have already read all this, so press next. So this is a very important information. It's called secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase make it easy to back up and restore your account. If you happen to lose your password, the only way you can get your account back is to restore your account using secret recovery phrase. So please always make a note of this information and don't disclose this to anyone whatsoever. So let's quickly make note of this information. Okay, once you have made a note of this, you can press next. So here they want to make sure that you have made a note for the recovery phrase. So you have to put the recovery phrase exactly in the order how it was on the previous screen. So let's do that. Once the recovery phrase in place, you can press next and your recovery phrase has matched. So it's all done. So as you can see here, we have successfully created our account. So once you will create your Metamask account, you should be able to see your Ethereum wallet. So as you can see here, it's an Ethereum wallet. If you press, there is a drop down menu and we will go through other options of how to add networks and other bits and pieces. So here you can see the account details. You can change your name here. We can put test account. This is your public key. If you wish to receive coins from others, then this is the address that you need to share with others. So let's see how to add different networks. So as I said before, you will get Ethereum mainnet by default as soon as you will create a Metamask wallet. Let's add Binance Smart Chain onto Metamask. So you need to go on the drop down menu, add networks, and here you need to key in information, which is, so to use the Binance Smart Chain, you need to use the information that is on my screen. So network name is Smart Chain and new RPC URL is so coin ID is 56. Currency symbol is optional, but it's always recommended to use that. So in this case, it would be BNB. Again, block explorer URL is optional, but again, it's recommended to key in. Once all the information is keyed in, you can save, and now you should be able to see a Binance Smart Chain, and now your Binance Smart Chain network is added. So if you see the drop down menu, you can see Ethereum mainnet, you can see Binance Smart Chain. Let's add Polygon Network. Same again, add network, key in the information, which is Polygon mainnet. In the new RPC URL, it's https://polygonrpc.com/ chain ID is 137 for Polygon. Currency symbol I would like to use, which is Matic. Block explorer is https://polygonscan.com. Once all the information is keyed in, you can save, and you should receive a notification Polygon mainnet was successfully added. You can also check that in your dropdown. So now you have Ethereum mainnet, Polygon mainnet, Smart Chain. Let's add Chronos, which is crypto.com. So same again, add network. You will do Chronos. In the new RPC URL, https://evm chronos.crypto.org. Chain ID is 25. Symbol is CRO. Block explorer URL is https://chronos.crypto.org/explorer/ and save. Same again, you will get a notification about Chronos was successfully added. You can also check in the drop down. So now you have got 4 different networks, and you can use any other network if you have got the information. Please be safe and always use authorized information from an authentic website. Don't believe what you see on Google. So let's quickly see on AVAX. So the name is Avalanche Network. New RPC URL is https://API .avax.network/ext/bc/capital C/RPC. Make sure guys that you are using exactly the information as it is available on the website. It is very easy to get this wrong, so always make sure the information that you are using is an authentic one. So once all the information is keyed in, then you can save, and as again, AVAX should be in the list. So this is how you can add any network into MetaMask. Once you have added all the networks, then you should be able to see the main coin as per the network. So for example, in the Avalanche network, you can see AVAX. In Ethereum, you can see Ether. In Chronos, you can see CRO. So what is the reason of adding different networks? There are different projects and dApps that they only work with certain networks. So if you only have AVAX network, then you can't access dApps that works with Binance Smart Chain, dApps that works with Cronos or Polygon, and so on. So you need different networks to operate in different apps and participate in different projects. You can add more tokens and coins onto your networks. So let me quickly show you how to add different coins. It's very easy. So let's quickly add ClimaDAO onto Polygon Network. So I always use CoinMarketCap, and let's quickly find ClimaDAO. So press ClimaDAO. So you have got a contract address here, which you will use to add this token onto MetaMask. So here you have a Polygon network, so make sure you are on the Polygon network. If you are on any other network, then this might not work and you will lose your coins. So make sure that the Polygon network is on, and you can go import your tokens. Copy this address. If you paste here, system will automatically be able to verify the token you are trying to add. So as you can see here, Clima is coming, so you can double check that the address that you have used is for Clima. If so, you can add tokens. Once you will press import token, you should be able to use that token in your list. So that is it for today. If you think that this video is helpful in any way, then please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.